Hi, in one of my previous videos, we talked about the common myths about FP&A role. And one of the myth was that FP&A is a dead end career, which is so not true. Hence, what I decided that I'll make another video and talk about some of the exit strategies that you can look upon if you want to move out of FP&A role. Although I love FP&A, I understand that a lot of people will not be working in FP&A for all their career, which is maybe more than 30, 35 years. So it is important to know what are the other options available if you want to move out of FP&A. So let's get into the video. The first and the most straightforward route is a promotion. So if you are working in FP&A as an analyst or a manager, you might be able to get to a FP&A director or a VP of FP&A role after working for say 5 to 7 years. And eventually you may also become a CFO. Getting an internal promotion and moving to roles like FP&A directors, VP of FP&A, and CFO is the most logical and natural progression to FP&A roles. The second most obvious option is lateral movement. Lateral movement is taking upon a new FP&A role in a different business unit or a different department in the same organization. So, say you have worked in FP&A as a manager or a director in one particular department, then it will be very easy for you to take a switch and move into another department as a FP&A lead and bring those transferable skills into your new role. Moving from FP&A to the Treasury function is another common move for FP&A professionals. So, Treasury function is responsible for making sure that the company has enough money. By doing this, FP&A people can leverage their existing FP&A skills and learn more advanced treasury skills. Moving from FP&A to accounting or a controller role is also not uncommon. Moving to a controller role requires some technical accounting and finance skills, especially if you want to target a CFO role in the future. Spending some time in the accounting and the controller role along with FP&A can give you that added advantage. Consulting is another good opportunity for FP&A professionals. I've seen so many FP&A people move into consulting roles, acting as fractional CFOs for small and medium sized companies. A lot of FP&A professionals also move into investment banking, venture capital, and private equity roles. In these roles, they usually help the companies in transactions, valuations, mergers and acquisition, and raising and managing capital. Corporate strategy is another common move for FP&A professionals. So while you're working in FP&A, you gain so much of business knowledge that it's easy for you to move into a strategy role. In this role, you will be helping companies set strategies and make sure that the different teams and departments in the company are moving in the same direction. So, portfolio management and asset management is another area where FP&A people can move into. So, if you like managing other people's and other organizations' money, then this might be a good opportunity for you. Also, I've seen so many FP&A leaders move into starting their own businesses and startups because they gain so much of knowledge of running and managing businesses. It's very natural for somebody who spent 5 to 7 years in FP&A start their own business. Finance digital transformation is another area where FP&A professionals can look into. As technology is evolving so fast, businesses need people who are skilled in technology to be able to help them manage this digital transformation. So, if you are someone who likes working with the technology, probably this could be a good option for you. Although it's not very common now, but what I see is a lot of FP&A professionals will move into data science roles in the future because there is so much of data to work with and companies need qualified data professionals. This is going to be an interesting trend to observe. And finally, education and teaching is another opportunity for FP&A professionals. So, if you have worked in FP&A for 10 years and if you like teaching and mentoring, probably you could start teaching FP&A to the next generation of finance professionals. So, those are all the options you can look at if you're planning to move out of your FP&A role. If you are serious about FP&A, then do check out the Accounting to FP&A webinar here on the end screen. Also, if you liked watching this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next video.